aabot sa 20 eskwelahan ang ikukonsideran ng Department of Education na isailalim sa panukalang 4-day school week dahil inaasahang matinding pagsisikip ng daloy ng mga sasakyan sa Kalakhang, Kamaynilaan. Narito ang mga eskwelahan na may 4-day school week. Sa Maynila, P. Zamora Elementary School, C.P. Garcia High School, Legarda Elementary School, R. Palma Elementary School, E. Rodriguez Salvador Elementary School, Bagong Barangay Elementary School. Sa may Quezon City naman, Balingasa Elementary School, San Jose Elementary School, San Jose High School, Masambong Elementary School, Betigo Elementary School, Albert High School, M. Rojas High School. Sa may bandang Caloocan, Grace Park High School, Elementary School, Grace Park Annex. Sa may Parañaque, Tambo Elementary School. Sa Pasay City, Kalayaan High School. Sa Valenzuela, Malinta Elementary School. Sa Malabon, Potrero Elementary School. Ipatutupad ang nasabing panukala sa susunod na pasukan.